Hey, travel and tourism pros, have you ever considered advertising on Twitter? Now, it might not be top of mind for many in our industry, but it can have a huge impact if your audience is men. Yes, you heard right, men. Think about honeymoon planning or proposal trips. Here's why. Men between the ages of 25 and 34 years old are the largest Twitter age demographic. Then the second largest age demographic is women between 18 and 24 years old. Bingo! Again, perfect for destination wedding and proposal planning travel. Well, even if you've never advertised on Twitter, it's pretty easy to get started by simply promoting a tweet. It's kind of like boosting a post on Facebook. Here's the thing, like every social site these days, video ads perform better. But remember, on Twitter, your video can only be 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Now careful, because the sweet spot for viewers is only about 20 seconds. Not much time to get chatty. Well, the bottom line is to experiment, test, and tweak to find the perfect match of visuals and messaging for your unique audience. So go ahead, check out the Twitter ads platform and start testing and tweaking today.